Hey guys, I got another video for you. Today we're going to be fluid filming the GX. It's a little late, but I've cleaned the undercarriage as best I can with, paying for a rinse wash. Got most of the salt and gunk off. So luckily last year I put a huge base layer. I used like 8 cans, which is about, 8 cans? No, I use 16 cans because yeah, I use 8 cans every year. At home, back with my parents, I had the fluid film gun, but don't have a real convenient way to spray in front of it and bring outlet out there, so it's just easier to use the cans. And then I don't get to make my concoction at home. I'd add like some candle in there, a little motor oil, and just whole concoction, which works great for Michigan stuff. Luckily, Colorado doesn't have as bad as Michigan salted roads, but still pretty bad. So you want to protect yourself. So on Amazon, you can get like, what is it, the 8-pack or whatever for, I think it's like $50. And then one thing you really want to get is one of these. There's probably part number on there. But this allows you to put it on top of the can and then get inside your frame rails in different areas and like different body parts where really is where your rot starts. So let's get under there and I'll kind of show you guys my strategy for fluid filming and how, keep my stuff relatively rust-free or last longer, since fluid film is gone. Hopefully I get sponsored by fluid film one day. Always got a fluid film moment in my videos, so stick with me. We'll get some shots underneath the vehicle and show you guys everything about how to fluid film your vehicle. So this is kind of set up here. I put a rhino ramp on the back corner, front corner, and then drove up onto them. And that articulates the suspension just enough so it makes it easier to get under there and get better access to spraying stuff. So the thing we're going to start on is spraying inside the bumper and all the spots, get inside the frame, and all kind of the sensitive spots all around. Anything that's steel might rust, soak it. So you take your top off, put your nozzle on, then you can kind of see how it sprays. Careful around your brakes. Definitely stick in your frame and just hold it for a second. A very messy job. So you guys kind of see everything nice and soaked. You can see where I'm rubbing. don't like to spray the top of these. These can get refinished, but the bottoms. Okay, all done. Got a nice coat on everything. Got some on the inside of the bumper. Didn't really get a bunch on the outside because it collects dirt, and this powder coat is pretty good, but I got along like the edges. And, yeah. But yeah, if you feel like there's too much, you're wrong. There's never too much. Especially in these high water wear areas. Like that's where your dirt collects. Make sure you get like back in here. Right over here, back in that. And I soaked the whole inside of the bumper. I even put a little light coating on the outside of this bumper. Just, you know, it's good for your skin, good moisturizer. And then you want to put it in an area you don't care about drippings. So it will drip a little bit. But let it dry for a little bit. And the best thing that I found is go drive down like a dirt road real fast, and it'll put a nice layer of dirt on it, and that locks in. It's nice and hard, and it'll last all year. Like my doors I did last year, you see right here. So I'll do, so you just develops like that nice cake, protected. Oh, I gotta spray that now. But yeah, you want to get all your door sills and everything. And then in the spring, I'll take these off and recoat them, but for the winter, it's already gonna get rust, so just wait till the spring to do your rust repair. But overall, looks good. Quick little tip, do your fluid film. Usually I'll do Cosmoline RP342 in the wheel wells. But now I'm out in Colorado, it's not as big of a deal. We don't get as, like, it's January right now. There's our snow. So it's not as bad, but in Michigan, RP342, the Cosmoline in the wheel wells, because it, high water wear areas, so the fluid film kind of gets wicked away. But with this kind of area, fluid film's fine. You just need to maybe coat it once in a while more. But yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what your fluid film, you know, thing is. Appreciate you guys watching. See ya.